All right, Winky, did you have any beef with anybody in the industry?
I don't see a beef here.
What does that mean?
Beef here, I'm not sure here. And I got to see.
Oh, change the nyama. So where are you going to have a hypothetical beef with anybody? Are you and Sniper Storm cool now?
We've always been cool.
You've always been cool?
Yeah.
There's never been any issues between the two of you?
Not knowing from his end.
All right. And Stunner went on to social media and he said that a tweet which sounded like he was hating on you, it's these awards that happened the other day. So...
No one has to summarize.
All right, let's look for the tweet. Producer, can you get us that tweet? You didn't take it like it was shade. Let's just put it that way. Did you take it as shade?
And a good tweet.
Alright, so we're going to pull out that tweet from Stana and then we are going to talk about it. We'll come back to that one. So now in 2019, what are we planning with the music?
Yeah, like always.
Nasi
12, 13, 14.
Alright. We've got a song that you're launching with, dropping with Gemma Griffiths.
Yes.
Is it a song and a video or is it just a song?
I think what I say is back off. I got to go with a chimbo.
I'm not
saying chimbo. The church I got I think we're number 1. Times 14.
Times 14.
That's right.
Factor we are something.
I think we're
there's some fans of some listeners who have come to say that we should ask, is there a silent competition in Cteq between you and Prayzah in terms of releasing music? When Prayzah said he's going to launch his album, you then released a paper bag. Prayzah dropped his video today. You had already set a date that you're going to drop your new song on the 14th. But silent competition challenge
unoona zvinhu zvacho zvaubva zvinoitwa nevanhu nekuti kuona tomboti for instance wati panakadropa paperback unoona paperback yakaitwa premiere patrace right isusu hatikwanise kuudza trace kuti tinoda kuti chinhu chibude musi wakati.
Trace is the one who decides.
Yeah, tinongosubmita isusu vozotipa feedback kuti song yaikuwirira musi wakati nguva dzakati kati nezakati. Saka ungazodzokera manje kuti sorry chimbodzurai kune zvikuitika kuti kuno saka we just go by that.
So that was not you trying to steal the shine from Prayzah.
Tangosubmita isusu patapozwa ndo pakuita sei pakubuda song.
Okay. When in time in your career did you meet with Elder Banda?
Banda is pre-music. Tinombotanga music because panati DJ paya ndo vamwe vacho andaita navo.
You was a DJ?
Ndo vandaita navo
Okay.
Asi manje vakazowandira kumabhuku manje isikazowandira kumarecords.
So how did you become your manager then?
Ndosati bond yangu iripo pakudhara saka vaenda kuchikoro tichiita marecords. Saka akapedza kuchikoro ndangoti aiwa kashangamira imimi togona kusakudai kumarecords uko but pane patiri kukudaiwo kune zvine zvida usainwa ndokwatiri kukudaiko
and ndobva zvatanga kungofire. Now this is
azvinobva zvatanga zvabva
zvakontinue kufire. So what year was it that he became your manager?
Panangotanga 2004.
Do you guys ever clash with Elder Banda?
Not zvokuda to pave a better way. Nekuti acha neidea yake nchana yangu kuti tifine tune iyoyo tifanambokakatidzana nalion musamubvisa kuti muequation anenge aripo kuti ipapo.
Alright, so Lion is your brother and what role does Lion play in the Winky D Empire?
Pamunenge kuti band rakaipa iri paya
Vigilance Band. He manages the band.
He manages the band.
Okay.
Then anenge izota kumanisa asi zvino kune technology yakaita kuma atotenga chinhu chakati tachiisawo paband.
And the first time I saw you performing with, I was privileged enough to have seen you performing for the first time with a live band. It was at Haifa. I think it was maybe 2010, 2011. 2011 at Haifa.
Yes.
And this is the thing, when we had seen you on the lineup, a lot of people were like, Haifa, is this classy event? Oh my gosh, why are they getting this guy here? And then you decided to bring a live band. That's the time you premiered that Winky D, my Fruit Loop sound, he can do with a live band. What was the inspiration behind that? Was that the talk this? Why is this guy on the poster? Or it was something that had always been in the pipeline?
It was actually in the pipeline. As an artist, okay, what's the next step? Let us say just to grow the brand.
Ndibona zvichifaya.
Zvaifaya kwamuri muchiona inini ngati isusu manje kunoku
Ari my headaches.
ndaimbofungaka kabhendi rangu parakatanga isusu I think taifamba 311 saka vanhu 11 vabva kwasiyana-siyana ma-different backgrounds vada kuti tite chinhu one ya pane challenge vachizobvunzwa kuti azorova mufeso wako wegitari kauya nhasi azodapane pakaipa panoda munhu anokwanisa ane composure anokwanisa kuzobata and you have to be a leader by nature.
Generally, you come off as a very reserved person who speaks when spoken to, doesn't really say things what's going through his head unless he's been approached to say it. So what kind of a boss are you, Winky D?
I didn't get I'm a boss.
Okay, what kind of a leader of the band?
A leader, yeah. I think I'm going to pabasa ngati basa. Yeah, atina zvimwe zvatingazoda futi zvatakatarisirwa kune munhu.
Oh, the you want to say something? No. You got nothing to say on that.
As simple as that. As simple as that. Ndoda kana kuti inini kandazosvika inini pfugama itaisa tiri maface but ngatizogira ngatizvegira.
How have you managed to remain relevant as long as you have done so far?
I think I give credit to the people who follow Winky D and support my music. Yeah.
Do you ever feel there's a misconception about Winky D that people misunderstand you when you do certain things and that you would like to clarify with the guys? At the end of the day, I'm an artist. Don't judge me this way.
This is an artist, yes, because in most cases we are being compared. No, South Africa, Nigeria, but the same people are still judging. They don't put the situation that we have in our country into consideration. But okay, tinema challenges that in our economically. So and it's going to be very difficult when you compare $100,000 budget for a project.
Okay, let's just say pato ranking. Chongo is a pato ranking. Apane budget yake 100,000. Iwe budget yake ngeka mera say.
Don't know, tangira zero.
But nobody's such a nice.
But nobody's such a poor.
Yes.
So we are strained in a way in terms of budget. But it's just like Gafa. We don't give up. We live up. With the little resources that we have, we will bring things together and we come up with something actually equally good.
All right. So now we were speaking on that. Let's come and talk about the videos, because Winky D, one thing that people love you for and always respect you for is that you make good music. But when it comes to the videos, the image we've got in our heads when we listen to these songs and then we see the video, it's a total disappointment according to what we hear on social media and what we read. Okay. So what happens there?
What about according to you?
According to me. Well, I'm not allowed to give an opinion. It's like I'm not allowed to say Winky D is my favorite artist the whole time. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, not to go on genetic. To other some video, history my videos actually. I would agree when I got a rate my video. They are not at par. 20 matrix about one I'm aware of is Ngirozi.
Also, you do acknowledge that people were not happy with Ngirozi.
Some people were not happy. Not people. Some people. There were other people who were happy. But pane vamwe vasinoita sei
vasinofara nazvo
vari kuti nesong asi kuita sei
okay
they are not at par.
Winky, do you think, according to Winky D, was Ngirozi a hit, the song?
That's a super hit.
That's a super hit.
That's a super hit.
So did the video of Ngirozi match the super hit?
According to Winky D?
Yes.
Yes.
It matched?
Perfectly.
That is an all-star video that you did?
Straight up.
Okay. Yeah. Was that what you envisioned when you're the producer, this is what we want to do with our video? And it came out as is?
As is.
Okay.
But
expectation yedu.
It's always a challenge. Ukabudisa song.
Video.
Already if you don't go along those lines,
okay, so now is this why you did what you did with Paper Bag, that you released the song and the visuals at the same time?
No, it was not because of what had happened. No. It's only how we are doing things now. We are not basing on the past.
Okay. Yeah. So you did speak about budgets, and with the video to Paper Bag, that is a top-notch video. I mean, we've got the airplane. We're getting the sense of Paper Bag when you're doing it, like this mafia type stuff. And then What was this budget breaking the bank when you did the video?
Yeah.
Please tell us. We'd like to know. So we judge you accordingly. Or we rate you. Let's not say judge. We rate you accordingly.
All right. In this day and age, technology is actually making things cheaper for us as artists. What I production and music, audio wise. But there's you're not going to the studio $20. Yes. Same applies to my videos.
But $20 quality knows Buddha $20. It will not be as much as your better I wonder.
I beg to differ.
You beg to differ.
I beg to differ.
Okay.
Yeah. So it's not about the equipment. It's about Munarguita Basaracho.
One watch about two because
by the moment I don't have equipment, I have to achieve equipment in the costless.
Alright, I got a message here that says, Winky D, please can you acknowledge that Disappear was not a good video? This message came through on WhatsApp.
I'm sorry, I beg to differ with Diva. In mind, I have something. But you have something. It was not a good video. What are you basing on? Is it the quality, the script?
The concept, what is it?
The concept.
Alright, so to those that are saying Disappear and Nirozi were not good videos, Winky is asking, what are you basing on? Hit us up on the WhatsApp number right now, 0712-831-172. Alright, we also have a quick, okay, the message is already coming in. People are saying it's the script that we were not getting, that we were not enjoying, the concept of the video.
Yeah, I don't know what we already Disappear. Mane ma video yenyu kudane pepa tombetwa mamwe anozima
challenges
and stuff. But what one is zvao mind. But inini I something that I had.
Why did you take so long to release the video to Disappear?
Like I have mentioned earlier. Taida kuda video kuti isusu patishane submita kwese play since that song had
gotten a lot of airplay all over the world, yeah.
All over the world. It had the attention. So I wanted to do a video wherever I change the system submitter, Tambiru. And we achieved what we wanted.
You achieved your goal.
Yeah.
All right. And then now we've got paper bag. People loved it. How did that make you feel when you found that people loved your video, especially after putting in all that effort and work?
Okay. It's metaphorically done. To claim his territory.
Okay. And you did trap with this song right here. You're experimenting with hip hop. Is this something you're gonna do again?
It's not new. It's not something like new, which is new kuna Winky D. Because the song the talk, the speech. It's along the same lines.
Okay.
But what I imagine, they concentrate on the party side of Winky D. As news panikan ka engo ka wakubata kutika Winky D ukanabata panorwadza moyo nangirozi kanka engo kutika wakuzvisa panorodza kwa mashure kumaobhamu kumashure ese ma elements wa yangaripo music yao
angaripo. All right, so now we moving on from all of these videos. You say that moving forward we are going to be getting more quality videos according to paperback standards.
Ndatigadzirisane ipapo what's the quality
quality iripo pana Disappear nengirozi.
Quality quality we are always on point. Quality tiripo. Pamusiri bona hapo ndanzwa mwati pa script.
Pa script ne concept.
Saka ipapa netsa manje. Noti as much as you can say Disappear ka ipapa rimwe munhu ari kuchallenge script iyoyo.
All right, Winky D, I can't spend a day without listening to your music. This is Wesley Birwa from Nembudzia. Freddy from Bare, you say, is Ninja Kabida a member of the Ninjas?
It's not for me to choose who is going to be a ninja and who is not a ninja. It's for them to choose. Let a ninja and a ninja. But I think that often that is part of the vigilance.
Yes.
No, he's not part of the vigilance.
He's not part of the vigilance.